So you've made your website, you've got your subscriber list, opt-in pop-up set up, and emails are slowly but surely rolling in. What next? Well, now it's time to nurture those leads with the aim of eventually transforming them into loyal customers. And that takes a good solid plan of attack called lead nurturing. Lead nurture campaigns form a relationship with consumers and raise brand awareness, educating them on your brand and offering. The purpose of a lead nurture campaign is to establish trust and convince mail recipients to choose you over the competition. This takes an investment of your time and energy, and customers notice, which makes them want to give you their business. Lead nurture campaigns are largely automated, meaning you as business owners can set these up once, schedule them, and then move on to the next thing on your to-do list. But the beauty in them is that these automated emails are targeted and customized using the data and analytics that you have on hand. Check this example out by Zillow. See how they've personalized the listings they have sent out to ensure it's in the recipient's target area? This personal touch is what matters. Here's another one by Casper. This worthy reminder may be just the touch needed to drive a potential customer over the line. You can set up specific scenarios that trigger these lead nurturing emails in email marketing softwares like Campaign Monitor. All you have to do is set up the rule that you want followed, and voila, they'll be sent out under certain conditions while you sleep. So ask yourself, how can you personalize the emails you send out to make the recipient feel warmly acknowledged? Whereabouts along the customer journey do these leads need prompting or a push? At which touch points is there an opportunity to build a stronger relationship with your leads? Get brainstorming.